In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to pause your video on a specific moment for dramatic effect, to highlight an action, or simply to hold on a frame a little longer, DaVinci Resolve makes this very quick and easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it right from the timeline and how to adjust the length of that frozen frame so it fits your edit perfectly. To begin, go to your timeline and find the clip you want to work with. This is important because the freeze frame will be created at the exact point where your playhead is positioned, so take a moment to scrub through your footage carefully. Move along the timeline until you reach the precise frame you want to freeze. It helps to zoom in a little if you need more control, especially if you're trying to pause on a very specific expression, movement, or visual detail. Once your playhead is sitting on the frame you'd like to freeze, look over to the inspector. If the inspector is not already open, make sure you bring it up so you can access the clip settings. In the inspector, go to the video section. This is where you'll find the playback controls related to your selected clip. From there, locate speed change. Inside that area, you'll see a direction option, and next to it, there's a snowflake icon. Click the snowflake icon to create the freeze frame. As soon as you do that, Resolve locks the image on that exact frame, creating the frozen moment directly in your timeline. After the freeze frame has been created, you can adjust how long it stays on screen. To do that, simply drag the edge of the freeze section to extend its duration. You can make it very short for a quick stylistic pause, or much longer if you want the frame to hold for several seconds. This gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the pacing and tone of your project. When adjusting the duration, it's a good idea to play the section back and see how it feels in context. Sometimes even a small extension can make a big difference in the rhythm of your edit. If it feels too abrupt or too slow, just drag the edge again until it looks right. And that's all it takes to create a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple tool, but it can add a lot of emphasis and polish to your video when used well.